Hi guys, welcome to the podcast. My name is Pratik, and I've been staying in Austria since 3 years now, almost 3 years. This is the very first podcast. Let me introduce you to our panel members. Right at the start, we have Sonali. Then we have Showman. Showman is from Bangladesh. Most of all of us are from India. Sorry about the bias, but I hope you bring new perspectives. We have Jairaj. Then we have Darshit, and then Pranay. All of us were studying in the same college. Most of us have finished our masters. Most of us are still doing their thesis. Pranay being the youngest, he is still in the first year. But yeah, this podcast aims to give you a journey of a master student, how the migration thing is, and what self discovery do we generally have. This kind of aims to give you an idea and a ground level truth. So if you're planning to study abroad, no matter where you are, we try to give you an insight of what students do feel, what they go through, and I hope the questions framed will hopefully answer that. The best part about this podcast is none of these panel members are aware about the questions. I have made the questions and only I know it. So basically, I'll be keeping the questions in front and we'll be walking through them one by one. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. Is there anything else you guys would like to add?
Let's get started.
Just say,
Let's get-
just say here we go.
Let's go. Okay.
You.
Yeah. Okay, so the podcast is called as a journey through masters, migration, and self-discovery. The very first question we have, it's a very nice question. The question goes like, what do you wish you knew before you started your master's study or journey? Like, what would you think people should know before they start masters anywhere in the world? So from my point of view, मुझे ऐसे लगता है, और I think if someone is planning masters in Europe, so language plays a huge importance rather than also with what they are going to pursue. But at least for Germany and Austria, studying German before they come, at least a little bit, will give him or her a better advantage. I think so.
And also money also, because if you have money you can easily go to US and get the job, and Australia, these places need money. In Europe you need to learn a language to come here for your masters. And also I feel like it also depends which industry you are going. For example, if you want to work in automobile, so you would go Austria and Germany because they are really good at it.
Right.
And you would also will get to learn so many things which you won't be able to if you go any other part of the world related to automobile.
Makes sense.
And if you
Yeah. And for that sense, I think US is good for computer science or something in that domain.
and also, like for example, Paris is good for fashion. So if you go there, and language is a barrier, but come on, I mean, I think you should and can. Every day for our brain we learn so many new things, so language could also be just one another thing, not actually a like obstacle for you to learn something.
Anything else?
And
What?
maybe I can add something that when you are coming to a foreign country or foreign place, I think you should, if you are from a middle class family like me, so that time I think it would be better for you to research some job facilities there in that city or in that country.
As in part time or
Obviously,
both?
because mostly in the Europe it will be like part time for the students, not the full time. But in the summertime, yeah, they can work full time. But at least they can search some work which they can do a part time job. But after coming here, then they can search for a full time job when they are studying.
Right.
So I think it would be better for them to research.
कि क्या scene है? What is the
Right.
actual stuff
Right.
going around? And
I have the same opinion as you. Before coming to any country, like any foreign country, if you're choosing Europe, so you should learn the language. For like if you are choosing Germany or Austria, then probably you should learn German before coming here, at least a basic one, so you can get mixed with the people here, and also like the the cultural differences. You should know like how people will behave, what things maybe will they like feel bad about.
makes sense.
So yeah, you should learn some basic things before.
And I think I can add one thing that what I faced when I came here, because I didn't get to talked to that much people who came to Wales in this city from Bangladesh. So I didn't know about we need to show money.
Okay.
In the
so
bank
you were not
account.
aware at all.
I didn't.
Okay.
So like when I came and when I first heard about from the magistrate that okay you need to show money which is like 10,000 to 12,000 euros, and for me to manage this money from the other people or to get it from my country, it was hectic for me.
Yeah.
So I think the students who are likely to come here, I think they should research all of those things. Yeah, all of those things.
What do you guys think about like a communication channel where things are openly shared among the community who are trying to get out of India or
We already have it, I
pursuing
guess.
studies? Like
It
is there. The awareness that is being created, that's not there. Like it's not very easy to find.
And I would
think you
like
can
to
find
add
it in
that
the
if
social
you
media.
are focusing towards R&D and research, then this is the best, because like a country like Canada or UK, it's not that much in research and development.
Market,
But
yeah.
European, like Germans, are keen on that technology.
For example, German cars.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to make the atmosphere a little lively, but I had a quote, and all of these are technical aspects, or let's say it's important stuff. But on a personal level, what I feel when I was back in India and I was thinking that I'll go for masters, looking at my friends who have gone, the elders who have gone, and Instagram, obviously, the life feels glamorous. It feels really fun, but to put it in such a way, now that spending 3 years, I would say it would be fair to say for every good day, there will be 4 bad days.
Right.
So that is what people don't realize. It feels very shiny that we are enjoying. And yes, there is fun. There's a lot of new experiences. We are meeting new people. But then there are also nights which are lonely. There are also chores that you don't want to do. There are also academic stress. And this is what I would also want students to know beforehand. The key, it's not going to be all fun and games and party and stuff, but alongside something else which you never thought you would do, and you just have to deal with it. So
That also gives you like a character development.
yeah, but I was not prepared for it, to be honest. Idhar but, yeah. So okay,
But when you come here, you should have a group of friends.
yeah.
That
Please make
only
friends.
That
That will-
only will get you through everything.
Yes.
Again, like communication. That's
Yeah.
like a key point. You'll keep coming back to it.
Let's move on to the next question. Dashir, would you please do the honors of reading the question?
So, if you had to describe your master's journey in Austria in one sentence to someone who's never left home, what would you say?
I guess for me, the same thing will repeat. For every good day, there will be 4 bad days. Just prepare yourself for that. And it doesn't mean that the bad days are going to kill you or something, but they will develop you in such a way or in a way that it's a character development, like Pranay said. And this is somehow going to help you on a longer run. And then when you have this feeling, you will be glad that you stuck around. Something, I don't know. This is what I would
The
say.
bad days shall pass. too.
Bad days shall pass too, I
And
guess.
when
you
you
miss your
when you
home.
have good days, just drink as much as you want.
If you drink, yes.
If you drink,
I don't
drink
drink.
as much as you want.
Really?
I'm gonna drink tea.
No, we are not promoting
Just
alcohol.
go to the bar, party, whatever you want to do, just do.
Yeah,
Because
enjoy your good moments.
Because it will come after 4 days, maybe 4 months.
Yeah. So whenever you have, you realize that you're going having what the fuck, you're having a good time. Make sure you celebrate it.
And like a quick Austrian way to do it is like you prost.
Prost, yeah, prost.
Yeah,
Everybody,
prost.
please prost.
And the key important thing is you have to look
Yeah,
into
look
the
at it. It's 7 years, guys. 7 years, please. I can't risk it.
Mineral Wasser.
Cola. Yeah. Anyone?
I would say that trust yourself. On bad days, on good days, that you'll get through this, and eventually you will.
Yeah.
So just trust yourself and do it, because it's like exploring out. You are going out of your country or your home. You are exploring outside, but at the same time you are exploring yourself, your capability and everything. So that would be something adventurous to do.
I mean, इतना हिम्मत किया है अगर घर से निकलने को तो थोड़ा बहुत.
I mean, I would like to say that every one of us is in comfort zone at our home countries.
Right.
So when you are coming outside, so be ready to fall down, get up, and prepare yourself for the things that are coming next.
And this goes on in the loop.
this
It
is
will
the loop.
always
You
keep
cannot
on
exit,
happening.
yeah.
You cannot get out of it. This will keep on happening.
Either you should prepare your mind for it or just
Go through it. Go
through
with the
it.
flow.
Yeah, just go with the
Just
flow.
try to find the balance, I guess.
Yeah. Cool. Let's go ahead. Moving on to the next question. Yeah, this is a very niche one. I don't think, but okay. The question is, what's the most valuable thing you've learned from meeting people of different cultures or diverse cultures? Anyone?
One thing I learned from these people is that even if they are going through a lot of problems or pains, even if a stranger and you just smile at him and say hello, he will smile back at you and say hello. And I
I
mean,
love
they are
that.
not like
Yeah.
so in the depression or such kind of things. So
They're not rude in that way.
Yeah, not rude in that way. They always smile and says greets you back.
And I also love that they are not interested in your personal life to connect.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to make a conversation, they will just talk and not involve their personal or your personal life into the
Right.
play.
I mean, this is small talks. When it goes to small talks, yes, people are really good at just conversing and getting to know that you're doing good and stuff. But on the other hand, also it becomes a way where they're not opening themselves. So kind of.
That takes time.
One
Right.
thing I cannot say, in our country, like
Back
Bangladesh,
home.
India, most of the people judge you. Most
Yeah.
of the people judge you. But here, they judge. People judge always. People judge people, but they judge less,
Maybe.
way less.
I would agree.
I disagree.
Yeah, maybe. So this
I
is
think it depends on.
I mean, they will not
different.
say
will
it
not
to
say
you
it
on
to
your
us.
face.
Not
But
even
obviously,
in-
their
even-
look says it all.
Even okay, but even
Yeah, I mean, it's
in our
personal opinion again. So.
no, but okay. Continuing, I feel I like the way people here are more into good food, healthy food,
Oh,
and
wow.
fitness.
Yeah.
We boys are going out and eating fast food is available at arm's length. But over here, when I come here back, so I'm eating healthy. I'm cautious of the protein intake that I'm having and stuff. Like
not
at least,
tasty food.
yeah, it's not tasty, but it's healthy.
Yeah.
I mean,
If
I
you
would
eat
like.
we
good
have the
food for a
balance of
long time,
making-
that will be tasty for you.
I would like to add one thing on this. Even if you go to the supermarkets, you will see the ratings on the
Nutri
even on
score,
the biscuits,
Nutri-Score.
Nutri-Score,
That's
like
good.
A, B, C, D.
Right.
So you know before consuming it, how much protein does it have?
Yeah,
So,
how
yeah.
good is it for you? How
Yeah.
bad? That's one good thing which I think everyone should adapt to.
And I think one diverse culture about Austria is like nothing is open on the weekends. Nobody.
Yeah, Sunday everything is closed.
Closed.
Saturday, Sundays, majority
Even
of the things
Saturday,
are
I think after
closed
4 or
very
5.
early.
Mm.
So yeah,
I mean,
they like to
even
relax.
yeah.
And also another thing, don't throw any garbage or any plastic thing into a bio one or in a glass.
Yeah, you have
dustbin.
specific bins
You
for
have
specific stuff.
bins.
Do not mix things.
Yeah.
You know what? After 3 years, I still don't know which one to go, which where.
Basic categorization, I guess I've understood plastic, bio, and dry.
Yeah.
And
Right, yeah,
The
yeah.
glass.
Paper.
There are
Yeah,
5.
there are 7, I guess. There are 7.
Seven?
Yeah.
It's
Ayyo.
paper,
Saat hai na?
it's glass, then it's bio, it's plastic,
metal.
also metal. yeah.
Batteries goes different.
Yeah.
Electronics.
Then I think they have there's
Medical as well.
medical. Yeah.
Chalo, let's go.
Yeah, the
These-
the tablets in the medical thing.
Okay.
The tablets
Pads
you
and
can
all
throw
that as
that.
well.
You can throw that into the plastic one. You can't. That's the different one.
I just threw here.
Yeah, because you were
And the fine.
This is not your home.
cut kar dena. Cut kar dena.
ये 6 लोग अंदर जाएंगे.
3 साल में अब तक सीखा नहीं इसने.
चलो, these were warm up questions. इसके आगे थोड़े personal types है. So think and should be nice.
So I will read it.
Okay, we are moving on to the next question. Jairaj, please do the honors.
What does success mean to you now compared to when you started your master's program?
Answer.
Who is interested?
Most of us have finished the master's program. To reframe the question, what did success mean to you before you started it, and has it changed or is it still the same?
Who is graduated?
It depends. No, graduation has nothing to do with it. But let's say when you were thinking of doing masters, what was success for you, and has it changed in span of 2-3 years for you? Maybe 1-2 years. I don't know. For me, it was materialistic things, and through this 2-3 years, it still is like I still want those things, a house, a car, and all those materialistic things. But then I've also understood कि भाई, on the path of achieving it, the journey is also beautiful. That's what I've learned to understand. So when with a lot of stress that we are going through right now with respect to full-time jobs and all, there are small things which are coming true. For example, the Madrid match, which I never thought I would be. So there are these small things which I never thought कि I would be over there and doing this. So there were numerous of things like this. Spending New Year's in Berlin, meeting people like this, people from Erlangen and stuff. So these small chunks give me a little bit of boost. So no matter what, okay, I know I want to achieve certain things, I am ambitious and blah blah blah. But along the way, unknowingly or knowingly, these things are coming true, which maybe I have dreamt of, maybe I thought, but it's just very nice कि something is happening which is good, and then you're going slowly, and I think it's slow. I thought it would be fast. As soon as I'm done with masters, I'll do tuck, and but no, that has changed, for me at least.
Would you like to add something?
Yeah, we could help you.
I think
what
you
is
can-
the new?
What do you think? We are all our seniors. So what does junior think?
Say cow ऐसे.
Like in my perspective, okay, it's good to have like your main goals of life. You know, like you have your vision board or have a long-term goal, and then you make your way through like small steps. Like
Right.
have the short-term goals, but in order to have that, you need to have your discipline also to achieve those short goals. And as you said, it's not about those goals, but how you get there also, the journey. So a big factor is like how you spend your time with, how you take care of your time. It's not just going all out, but you reserve that energy for, you know, for things like, okay, these are the things that I need to do, things like that. So
I guess discipline played a huge factor in my life when I came here. Back home, I was not so much into it. I was in a routine, 9 to 5 job, then maybe gym, maybe sports, maybe movies. But looking at people here, what they do, generally they go out for walks. Every day they also have a routine, but their routine is circling around a little bit of fun, 80% of work, 10% of family time or hobby time or whatever, and 10% of self-improvement. And this cycle has gave me, ki, bro, this can help you reach whatever you want, maybe a little bit faster. Or even if you don't reach, कि जो सोचा है वो नहीं मिल रहा है, but तुम अच्छे बनते जा रहे हो धीरे धीरे, थोड़ी चीजें डिसिप्लिन हो रही है, थोड़ा you're getting a better, you're moving to a better version of self, kind of.
and
वो थोड़ा
like in
वो सोचा
day
नहीं
to
था
day,
मैंने.
you need those tiny dopamines to, you know, keep you going up.
That's why people choose you, no? Work-life balance.
But yeah,
Maybe
success,
that's why you and me came
right.
here.
But success for these people here is entirely different, I feel, right?
Yeah.
इधर ऐसा नहीं
Just
होगा.
like
I don't. No, I think not all. There are some people who are
Majority.
materialistic. Yeah, majority of them it's not like that. Yeah.
I mean, it's not about money or a post. I mean, success means how much you are happy in your own life, or
Exactly,
how much you are
exactly.
satisfied with the work you are doing.
And the best thing in here is like they have the like work-life balance in here. Say now it's August and most of the people they are going
On
holidays,
vacation, yeah.
on their vacation. Like they are going there for like 1 month, 15 days, 1 month for holidays. So they have the work-life balance.
I think in that way, it's also the government that supports these things. You know,
Right.
they have made those reforms so that, okay, you earn a month extra in a year, you spend it in summers.
Circular economy.
Yeah,
Money
yeah,
goes back,
yeah.
comes in, comes in. सही है. But personally ऐसे तो कुछ for me तो change नहीं हुआ है. वो है. But like you said कि छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो
Yeah.
feel करती है.
Not like the whole image that changed. It can be possible.
वो हो रहा है यार मेरे साथ कि materialistic things या happiness. And then it is adjacent ना, it's always tied up कि if I have a house or car, I'll be happy. But I never know it because I didn't have. So the pursuit to that is something which I'm kind of चलो करना है करना, and everyone more of us is some कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही. What we might be having something, right? now I am in doubt of that process. You come to masters, you spend 2-3 years, then initially it's just initial 6 months is adapting to what the course is, understanding, meeting new people, making new friends. Then the next 6 months goes into finding a part-time, an internship. Then you find a thesis, you do that, and then it goes to finding a full-time. And all of this, alongside this, time is passing. You came here for masters, but huge chunk of your life is just going into finding work. And then this kind of it's repeating since 3 years. वही चल रहा है बस. पहले आए तब internship ढूंढ रहे थे, फिर pro 3 ढूंढ रहे थे, फिर thesis ढूंढ रहे थे, अब full time ढूंढ रहे. And then that वो distance जितना है वो मेरे को लगता है कि अभी भी होता है. जब मैं when I was here in 2023, I was exact distance away from buying a house or getting a car. Even now, I feel I'm exact same distance away from buying a house or getting a car.
Obviously.
So it gets me thinking, this masters is useless or
It's a seed. It's a seed of the plant.
So when I talk the same thing with my friends, they are in US or Canada.
Right.
It's not the same thing what you have said. The distance is very less for them. Not less means maybe they are
It
at
reduces.
50% or like 70%.
तो यहाँ इधर तो अवगढ़ है फिर. Like it feels, at least I feel, मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई maybe this might help प्रणय कि you need to figure out some way कि this might not change और ये जो hobby है and this would continue even after once you're done with your masters, because it's so uncertain भाई. You can never know. So
In
at least
Europe, it's uncertain, but I think not in if you're going in Canada or Australia or US, it's not that much uncertain because I have a lot of friends in US. Their life is not that much uncertain like us.
But they have the
Yes,
visa
true.
issue now.
some or the other
Yeah.
issue.
Also it depends. Suppose you have spent 1 year in USA, you have enough money, you can live 2 or 3 years in Europe and you can get something. It's equivalent of amount of money
Yeah,
that
makes
you
sense.
have earned there in 1 year in US. That money you can survive here for 3 years.
In Europe.
So it depends like
हाँ वो भी है.
I mean,
It's like
easily
the
more than
money
that.
which you
Maybe
are
I said 3
spending.
years less. Maybe 5 years you can. If
Be
you have
based on your
saved-
lifestyle.
Yeah. How much you are मतलब कितना spend कर रहे हैं
500-600 जाएगा महीने का maybe max at max.
and you will be
But when you
having
are
saving
earning-
of at least 40 lakhs at least
In
When
how
you
many
are
years?
earning so much,
1 year.
but when you are earning so much, that time you won't get you will be survive in 500 euros or 600 euros. Your lifestyle will
No,
change.
no.
Yeah, it will definitely
what I'm
improve.
saying like uncertainty topic. No, so she said that what will happen with visa and this thing. So what I was saying, like if you have stayed 2 years in USA and you have suppose like
Savings.
hypothesis, 2 years you have worked full time, you have 80 lakhs, you can live here for 7 years with that money. You are not
visa-
doing anything.
The visa
Just
issue
the
actually,
basic thing.
The visa issue actually is for all the countries in abroad.
That is
For all the
constant to wherever you go.
Yeah.
Visa is a
Even
problem.
maybe in Austria we have say 1 year or say for some of us just 2 years. After that, if we don't get any job or visa, so visa
But
issue
yeah,
is like
No,
constant in
there
every country.
it's like it's in if you see in a long term. Here, if you are staying for a long period of time, you have a chance of getting PR.
Yeah, but that time
And
you
if you
need to-
do the same in US, you have very less chances. Every time, every 5 years, 10 years, you have to go through everything all over again.
yeah, so if you can
And then if you go to after all that time you have invested there, and if you go to some another country, suppose, then you have to start from zero on this.
Yeah, but what I feel like being worked for some years, what I have in my pockets, I can then look for some years. If in US I can collect, yeah, then I can relax for 7 years, 8 years.
I saw so many
That-
people like that. So
Yeah.
they just
Even
work
they
for
buy.
5-10 years. They have good amount of money. They just wanted to get retired and enjoy their life.
But you can't do this here.
Right, but
I would do this
It will
if
be
I have
costly, you
the
know,
like 40 or 50 lakh before in hand, but honestly, like, you need that much of amount to enter first
right.
US.
Okay, again. Sonali, please do read the question.
Do you feel more connected to your roots, or has being abroad redefined your identity?
So what do you think?
I think coming abroad has redefined my identity, because back home I was a very lazy daughter. or a person. So I think I've come here, cook, clean, or like did everything on my own. And then like when I was coming here, my parents were like, how will you do anything? So I was like, yeah, I'll manage. It was my dream.
Right.
So now I think after 3 years, I think I managed. I cried while managing, but I did manage.
Everyone does, I guess. But you think this in India would not have changed if you were in India and you never came here? This would not have
I
happened?
don't think I would have still dependent on something like in India we have so many facilities.
Right.
This Blinkit.
Yeah.
Now this Urban Clap, I could have just ordered the maid and then get things done. And like, but still coming here, being self-sufficient, independent is like a lot. This is, I think, a basic. It goes for everyone.
Yeah, I feel so.
But redefined for me personally, as in that I have also started finding the things which I need to work on, because here especially in Europe, you get a lot of times to yourself. So at some point you start saying that, oh, I'm not good at this, I'm good at this. So maybe like it depends personality to personality.
Figuring out stuff.
Yeah, if they want to work on themselves, and so this also gives you opportunity to like know yourself better.
Right. So I feel I've gotten closer to my roots because I now embrace the cultures that I have. Ganesh Chaturthi, or when I miss them, it feels more. When I was in that, when I was celebrating Diwali, Dasara, and all the festivals which we do back home, I was a part of it. But when I am here and I'm missing it, it is...
And you see your friends posting stories and
everything,
all that.
every single experience of it, it gives me a feeling ki back in India I was not so much into this. Maybe I was lazy of making कि यार पूजा भी करनी है, ये भी करना है, घर भी साफ, all of this. But now I am missing it. Like I feel कि this has strengthened my connection back to hometown, which would have not happened.
So are you guys celebrating this or not? Like
what?
All like maybe Ganesh Chaturthi, or like do you do this Diwali puja or
In here?
Yeah,
Yes,
did.
Yeah, we do here, but the thing is, there's a huge difference, right?
Obviously, family.
Yeah,
friends.
and then the whole surroundings are not there. Here we are just doing it here. In India, the whole India is celebrating and the vibes are different. But it makes you feel na, ki you're lacking
missing
something. Exactly. That has kind of changed for me.
And I think it's also like living in the moment, you know, like you're in India, it's that
Yeah.
moment to live it right there. Now you're out here, it's not gonna be the same. And
maybe I can think it like you are छोटा है अभी, इसके लिए तेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है, बट तू उसकी एज पे जाएगा तो ये चीज तू डेफिनेटली फील
No,
करेगा.
for example, if it's Diwali or any huge festival, let's say, and everything is happening back in India, and you're going to Spar to buy some veggies, and that is the moment when it hits you so bad,
Yes,
ki
yes.
what is happening? I mean, and you know that it's an auspicious day for you at least, or something, and the celebrations here are mostly what they are. So it's not this country's fault, or it's not these people's fault. It's us who left out. But then when you are going through that journey where you know it's an auspicious day and you are just buying kartoffel and stuff and checking if it's vegan, that is where I feel okay. Yeah, I
I can give an
Rakhi is
example.
coming.
Say when I first came here in October or September, October 2023, there was Durga Puja was happening in Vienna because it was Durga Puja time. I was missing Durga Puja so that much. I went to Vienna, watched 2 or 3 places Durga Puja and come back. So for me, I think I am mostly connected to my roots also.
Yeah, I don't think it would.
it's also like a good thing, like, you know, you need to keep going back to that specific moment where you enjoyed yourself in it back in India, or you just want to reconnect to yourself. It's
Yeah.
a good thing in a way.
I mean, it doesn't feel great. वहाँ पे सब लोग अच्छा अच्छा खाना खा रहे, पूरन पोली खा रहे, इधर तुम आलू की सब्जी और राइस खा रहे हो.
But I think this
tortilla.
strengthens the bond which you have
Yeah.
back home. I don't
I
know.
mean, मुझे अभी 3 साल हो गए ऑस्ट्रिया में, लेकिन ऐसा एक भी साल नहीं गया कि मैंने लक्ष्मी पूजा ना की हो दिवाली पे.
Really?
तो
he does a small one at least. Has it.
स्मॉल वन यहाँ पे. तो मुझे हर बार ऐसा फील होता है कि यार घर पे रहता तो मतलब कितना अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट कर पाता, फटाके फोड़ता, लक्ष्मी पूजा करता, घर वालों के साथ फोटो खींचता. तो ये सब चीजें जो मिसिंग है यहाँ पे, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं तुमको फील होती है हर त्योहार पे हो या कौन सा भी फेस्टिवल हो तो
And more the time you spend, वो ज्यादा strong होते
स्ट्रांग
जाएगा.
होते जाता है.
वहाँ का जो
जाऊँ क्या
एनर्जी
मैं
है
दिवाली पर?
वो यहाँ पे तुम फील नहीं कर सकते हो ऑब्वियसली.
भाई कितने 3 साल हो गए दिवाली तो घर पे की नहीं है.
वैसे तो बहुत हो
चलो.
Full time आए तो जाऊँ. Come on, full time.
Pranay, let's Pranay.
So the question goes like the Austrian experience. What or how is your relationship with Austria and Wales in particular? With Austria, so far it's been good. Like it's not been as much as these guys, but I think them being here around to guide you through those particular moments or experiences, or to have a bit of caution. Like there's back a safety net where you can get that help to get used to the things here, like guidance or whatsoever like that. And mostly I've also had like an habit seeing here people who are going through hikes through every weekend, like taking care of their self in terms of fitness. That's something like being part of the nature is really good experience in my view, and I think that's a good habit also for you.
Anything with Wells? How do you find Wells?
Wells is pretty short. Like you can be from A to B in like 10 minutes, and this is exactly the same thing that I was telling to a friend of mine a day ago. It's not that historic. It's small. It's just the university. Not much to around, but yeah, some of the local festivals that they do.
It's
They do it together as a culture, so it's good to be a part of it. As compared to Vienna, it's
Yeah.
very, very slow.
Yeah, because the saying you are right now you are young.
Yeah.
That's why you want the liveliest city.
Like,
But-
it's not about being lively. Like, I've been in Mumbai around and it's very crowded. If you guys know how
Mumbai
Mumbai is. And
every-
coming back from that, now I really like that piece. Like, I was in Vienna 2 days ago. It's like, what is this rush?
Chaos, yes. Yeah, Wells gives you that peace to the
Yeah.
extent.
I mean, Austria is a very beautiful country nature-wise.
Yeah, very beautiful.
For a person like introvert like me, Wales is the best city to live in. So no more crowd, nothing. So all people are chilling.
Right.
So this is the best peaceful city.
After 8 p.m. there won't be any car that much.
Yeah, you will not see people on the roads.
You will not see people in the roads. So.
I mean, I don't like so much of crowd or like the rush scenes where people are just running for
Like Tokyo.
yeah.
Or any metro. Would you, if you get a job nearby, would you consider settling down in Wells?
Obviously, I will love
Oh.
to settle
I
down.
would not. I want change.
Okay.
I also want change actually.
You will change or you
Yeah,
won't?
I want a change.
You want to change?
Because
still
it
have
became a
time.
comfort zone.
Yeah,
Right.
I want
me.
to get out of the wells.
Will you?
Maybe I will leave it to the destiny. What
No, but let's say you get a job in Wells, like nearby Wells, where you can travel in
Grace
10 minutes.
Kirchner.
Then obviously, if I get job in Wales, I know this place. Then I will
Let's say you get one in Linz.
Then I will move to Linz because the travel time matters.
So as a city, it won't affect. If it's in Wells, you'll stay in
City
Wells
is
no
very
matter.
beautiful. Both cities are very beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like
Amazing.
it's like
If you have in Vienna, if you get one option that you have job in Wales and you have job in Vienna, where would you take?
Then because I like my background, I am from Mumbai. I like more rush, more chaos. So I will prefer Vienna because there is more rush, more. So
There is
Vienna is
that,
beautiful,
so,
right?
yeah.
Vienna is different. Like I think it's in the top 10
Yeah,
most
yeah,
livable
yeah.
cities in the world.
I think
So I
it
will
was first.
obviously
I think in
choose
2023 it was first.
Add on my point because I've thought about this. For me, Austria, given I've been to around 8 countries in Europe itself, I feel Austria is the best traveling.
Really?
Like, yeah, I love the trains are on time.
Okay.
It's clean everywhere. There are a lot of people in Vienna. There is also dirt and homeless people or sick people, and then all of this drugs and alcoholism happening in Vienna. But they're so good at hiding it somehow. When you go to per se
Cross.
Frankfurt or where any big metro cities, I've been to Brussels and all of this.
Berlin.
It's not. It doesn't feel safe. But Austria has its way where it's beautiful and they have maintained it in such a way. Even if there's
That's
a lot
true.
of rush, there's a lot of people, they somehow manage it to keep it the way it is. It has not ruined it. Looking at bigger cities, we have heard about Paris, how dirty it has been recently. And
It's
Austria
not recently. It's like
since
all the
okay,
time.
but Austria somehow has managed to keep its integrity and keep it nice and smooth, even though a lot of people are coming in and going out as well. We have been staying in Wales, all of us, since 3 years. I think with Wales, I have kind of a love-hate relationship. Seriously, Wales is the first place I left my home and came to. This was the
So
place
that was hate coming from.
that is love. So
Oh,
when I
okay.
came here, excitement.
Hate is you.
I met people like Siddhant, Nitish, these guys. A group was formed of us, and we were just living through the moments. We're going through parties, enjoying stuff. And as the time passes, at this point, all of these got I had a realization where
Separation.
kabhi na kabhi, when the time comes, everyone here has come to find a goal and they will move away. So it started with Siddhant, Rushi, Embassy guys, Nitish, these guys going out, new guys coming in, and soon enough it happened to our group as well. And this slowly, and we were in Wells, and I have reached at a point where now I just want to get out of this place. I think I'm done with it.
Maybe
मेरा हो गया खाता
your Wells chapter is about
to finish.
Yes.
And this gets me thinking, which will give you a follow-up question. Will this happen to a new country as well, a new city as well? If I, let's say, go get a job in Berlin or anywhere in the, will this same feeling come after
Yes.
2-3 years and be like, no, I'm done with this place? And then when will it stop then?
No, it won't stop. It happens
won't
like
stop because-
from my past experience, I can say that it always happens like this.
You'll always
2, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years.
Obviously.
Again, next chapter,
Always.
next thing, everything.
Because say when and in 2014 I moved out from my home. So I went to Dhaka to
Right.
pursue
For
my
engineering,
bachelor.
yeah.
Yeah, pursue my bachelor. So while I was doing it's 4 years, I felt stuck in Dhaka. Then I moved in a job, which is like 70-80 kilometers from Dhaka. After 3 years, again I felt stuck. Then I moved another place. Again I felt stuck. Then I came here, and now I'm feeling stuck.
stuck again.
So it's like it will happen, but the thing is how you tackle that thing.
Right.
And the best thing, if you have family with you in
Then-
that place, that it will be much more easier for you.
To make a decision at least. Yeah.
और डिसीजन तो जान दे अपने लिए बोल रहा हूँ तेरे साथ फैमिली रहेगी ना तो तेरे को ये वाला फील नहीं होगा जो अभी तेरे को
कि
स्टक वाला
वो
feel
वाला
होगा ना।
कि बस फालतू क्या है वो वाला.
कौन
Did you ever have a moment where you thought, I can't afford this life? What did you do?
I think every time I have that
had
doubt.
this?
You have it? I have it even now, but I don't know. It's just happening.
No, it's actually because like
Ki-
a lot of moment I have where I feel that okay, I can't afford this life.
Yeah, same. It
Even
just happens.
1 year back, if you're asking me, I was thinking, okay, maybe I can't afford a ticket of Real Madrid playing.
Yeah.
Yeah, now
But
it
it
achieved. Now it achieved, but yeah, now I'm thinking, okay, I can't afford a ticket in Santiago Bernabeu.
Maybe it happens. But then this was the question going through my mind since we came, but it's just happening. I have not done anything to it. I know what base lifestyle is. उसके नीचे नहीं जा रहे क्योंकि उतना bare minimum जितना हो सकता है. But then I am vigorously spending on stupid things.
Yeah.
I just-
That's normal.
No, not for me.
Okay.
I did a lot. Okay, so how do you remind yourself to stay hopeful or optimistic during difficult times? So I was saying that most of the time, say when I was in my difficult times, I used to go in new cities with my camera to visit or to travel. Or I love cooking, so I try to do cooking. So
Nice.
that's my thing, how to deal with that difficult times. And sometimes it will feel like your mind will become, and then you can decide what you are
Think
going
clearly,
to, yeah,
maybe.
what you are going to do next.
And it's also like having your personal space where you try to get yourself back to your ground zero or square one. Then you try to work on things from there. It could be different from person to
Yeah.
person.
Like for this, I can sit around the riverside or
Yeah,
the
yeah,
mountains
yeah.
for like the
This is
peaceful
really nice.
surrounding.
Go out for a walk.
And
or
yeah, for walk. And I will be thinking like, why did I started this thing? And if I have so many problems with this, then I will stop this way and I will go around the another way.
Okay,
So
that makes sense.
That
makes
helps
sense.
me to face these difficult times.
हम तो like हो जाएगा भाई.
And that's important sometimes. to see
Exactly
that,
भाई
like,
छोड़ दो
हो
सब
जाएगा. Yeah.
जो होना है होने दो.
Like
Just give
because
it.
I feel at some point there are so many things which are not in your control. हो जाएगा कैसे नहीं होगा अभी नहीं होगा तो कल होगा.
Yeah, it's
जाएगा.
सही है
important.
भाई like
जब तुम्हारे हाथ से
हाँ,
तो छोड़ दो.
तो छोड़ दो भाई.
When was the last time you were genuinely happy?
आधा घंटा पहले.
What was it that gave you that feeling? Please, Darshit.
When me, Lokesh, and you went to that park opposite to Trodent, and we were playing that. At that time, I was very happy.
How long back was it?
Maybe
Couple weeks.
2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Okay.
Maybe 2-3 weeks. No,
I think
means,
for both of us,
there
I
are
think
many,
last week.
Yeah,
For
but
both of us, I think last week.
No,
There are many timings where I was happy, but I would like to mention this specifically.
Because it's the latest one.
That's
yeah, no, it's not latest one.
let's say the
But
latest.
this was the most memorable.
Memorable,
because,
which you
yeah, I can remind, like, whenever I think of that, this is the quickest one which I.
Which comes to your mind.
Yeah.
For you, go ahead. Because I have this. Keep in mind the time span. So let's say for you it was 3 weeks. For you, when was it?
I think it's like few hours ago, maybe half an hour ago. Like we were just here trying to water the place.
Yeah.
I mean, that was like a genuine moment to look around. Like, everyone is trying to find a rainbow, trying to water
Click
the
pictures.
clicking pictures. It was a good moment to have.
That's nice. Jay?
For me it was like I think 3 weeks before.
Uh-huh.
क्योंकि मैंने मास्टर पास कर लिया था.
Highest distinction.
अब ऐसा था कि भाई बस जो ये 1 साल से झेल रहा हूँ भाई अभी कोई झेलने की जरूरत नहीं है. So that was the
3 weeks. Yeah.
So for me, I think it's the last week when I watched the Real Madrid match.
Yeah. First of all.
Not Timney.
Bro, it's like
Recently,
1 year.
क्यों तेरे को झगड़े लगवाने हैं? चुप ना.
It's like 1 year.
Yeah.
And there is genuinely happy लिखा हुआ.
तो Timney के साथ भी he
But
is
it's
genuinely.
recently, guys.
But the thing is, what I did here is like last week.
The question says recently.
Last week I was the Real Madrid match, and it was a dream for me. So that time I was
तू बता.
genuinely happy.
Mine is very stupid.
So Real Madrid also was a very huge moment for me, but I was not happy because I was expecting main players. But way before that, because I love how childish and how stupid I am. So with all the crux that I am in, I ordered protein, and it costed something, and I didn't.
€8.
Yeah, so I generally used to buy my protein, but then I was like, okay, let's switch it, let's go and level up, and I bought ESN, and when it came and when I opened it, I don't know, I was jumping. I know ki I'm fucked everywhere. I don't have this money to spend, but somehow the protein boxes are there. And I feel happy. I feel childish. It's like you get a remote control toy. You bought something, and there's absolute no need. I was not even going to the gym. My gym membership was off. I just bought protein. Out of that too, very random. Last night, like a night before, I was eating rice, and it's been 3 days that I've been eating rice only. And all of this was maybe 2-3 weeks back before Real Madrid's match. So like, I'm tired of eating rice. I'm lacking protein. I need protein. I go to ESN website, buy protein, shut it down. And the time protein comes, I was happy. For a brief moment, I was happy. Like, protein aa gaya.
So maybe yesterday when we saw 2 little kangaroos, at
Kangaroos?
that time I was happy.
That was a rabbit.
Where was kangaroos?
He doesn't know that.
Oh, rabbit.
No, she named it as a kangaroo, and that's what we said.
I did not. He did not know
Oh,
it's
these-
a rabbit.
I know that.
Okay.
Kangaroos are not in.
What
it's in
was your
Australia,
moment?
not in
Mine
Austria.
was. You see, there is only one sleeper, and there is one. The other sleeper is on the tree. I threw. And he was finding it. Did you find it? Yeah. Ayyo. I was thinking like, when he asked, then only I will tell. Otherwise, I won't tell.
Silliest moments. Well, this was just one thing for you to get back to happiest moments and think about them.
And now in future, when we think about it, this was a genuinely happy moment where we
Exactly. Kuch nahi kar rahe. We're sitting and chilling. Okay, last 2 questions, guys.
I recently was watching one series, whatever. So there was like they were having beers with friends and then like laughing, roaming around, and then the protagonist said that, okay, this will be the moment I will remember when I am on my deathbed. Like
It
you
will
get
be a
the
memory.
last sentence. that was really nice.
Moving ahead, Jay.
It's okay. If your life back home never needed you to leave, money was fine, job was fine, would you still have chosen to come here? So let's start from
Yes.
you.
Yes.
Obviously.
I mean, I've thought about this. Even now, I think about this. That other way around, if I get an opportunity back home, will I go back? But I think I'm not done with this place yet. So in that sense, I will still choose to come for masters, because masters, when I was applying, it was never about the job or the money. It was about the experience and the degree itself to upgrade myself. And now I feel I'm not still yet done with this place, at least, and there's a lot to learn which only this place can teach me. I mean, back home, learn as in not in technical or just personal interpersonal things, or personality development wise, or learning new things, being humbled. I've been humbled a lot of times. In India, I might be an egoistic guy, doesn't give a
True.
shit types.
True.
Back home, because there are people caring for you, there's always a backup for everything. You will never go hungry, you will always find a bed to sleep, you will always have things, and those things have humbled me here. So I definitely would, even if money was fine, job was fine, would still choose. And even other way around, if I have an opportunity of going back home right now, I would say no, at least now. Moving ahead, anyone?
Thank you guys. Nothing from my side.
For me the same also.
But now life has changed for you. Now you're married, and now let's say if this thing
Right now I want to bring my wife here.
Mhm.
Not like I will go back to my country and
But what if you both have an opportunity back home, both of you?
If you have money, then
the
would you?
thing is it's not about the money or the job in my country. It's about the situation for us actually.
Okay.
Oh.
Sometimes you need to the balance
तो
thing.
तो नहीं बोलेगा तो basically मतलब you will try to stay away.
Yeah.
जय शेठ,
क्या अभी
अगर इतना पैसा तेरे को उधर देते तो जाता क्या? यूरोपियन जितना 40 लाख रुपए महीने साल का.
नॉट राइट नाउ, लाइक 2-3 साल बाद मैं सोच सकता हूँ कि मैं वापस जाके वही अपनी लाइफ सेटल कर लूँ, लेकिन अभी कुछ चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करना बाकी है. जैसे कि उस टाइम पे भी अगर मेरे पास जॉब होता, पैसा होता, फिर भी मैं अगर मुझे चांस मिलता एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए चीज़ें, तो मैं डेफिनेटली चूज करता.
किसी को जाना नहीं है यहाँ से ऑब्वियस.
लेट्स तू दे दे अभी आंसर.
हाँ, अगर मेरे को सेम पैसा मिलता है तो ऑब्वियसली मैं चले जाऊंगा.
Is or was there a moment where you seriously considered giving up and going back home? What stopped you?
Oh.
Take your time. Think about it.
रेसिडेंट परमिट.
Bye-bye.
For me, the block account thing, or
Yeah, what was the
for me, like the
Well-
moment has not arrived
कौन
yet.
कुरियर भेजेगा?
Okay.
वापस?
Like I will give up and go back. So I will like to skip this question.
I think there was one
This never
moment
happened for
where
me,
I
yeah,
almost
this
gave up.
moment.
Then I booked the trip to Switzerland, and then I went. ये भी भाई भी गए थे.
Yeah. But for me also it doesn't come to my mind yet. But
Hopefully touch wood
yeah.
for everyone?
Yet, but
Yeah.
I mean
Let's
ऐसा
see.
बहुत बार हुआ है
तेरे साथ
कि सारी चीजें एक साथ में ही आ गई और ऐसे सोचते कि मैं क्यों आया हूँ यहाँ पे यार. वो वाला वहाँ
वो
पे
वाला
अच्छा
जो-
जॉब कर रहा था, अच्छा कंफर्ट जोन था, वो सब अच्छे से चल रहा था, क्यों मैंने ये चूज किया. वो वाला मोमेंट आया, लेकिन ऐसे गिव अप करना तो अभी तक नहीं आया
वो
ऐसा कुछ.
सीखा ही नहीं है.
giving up is not in the blood, sir.
Exactly.
It's not in the blood.
So what stopped you was basically you know you're not done with this place. There have been instances, there have been moments जहाँ पे it felt fucked up, where it felt shitty. But somehow we went through it. I don't
Somehow
know.
we
At
managed.
that point ऐसे कुछ तो होता है यार, छोटी सी चीज, और there is
I
something
think
small
we
which pushes
were-
you.
And
We
then the
were,
thing is, it's
blessed.
like for the human race, it's like if you fall into a trap or something in difficult times, somehow you will manage something. Somehow you will manage to get over it, or somehow you manage to need to survive.
Right.
You will go in a surviving mood, and in that surviving mood, you will conquer.
Somehow
Somehow you will conquer.
It's
Yeah, but here the best thing to like us was that we had a group
Yeah.
from the start. For me,
Friends.
like
Yeah,
at least
To
I,
talk to
I,
you.
we also feel for you. Like you had really nice group. You guys, AMM
4 or 5
guys.
guys.
no, this
all of us.
Showman
I mean,
also has it.
generally it's one thing you have people to talk
Bridging
to.
hand.
Yeah.
It need not to be a whole group.
Yeah,
But if you have a person who you could openly talk to about what you're feeling, you'll kind of
that's why.
figure things out.
Yeah, you
Yes,
wanted
but-
to add something.
And at the end of the day, it's like you have to keep backing yourself.
Somehow.
No matter what, there will be
Just go through it.
bad days, good days. Just keep backing yourself.
When
keep
we-
moving, keep moving.
When we came for AMM, we all there was a moment. All of us were standing in the alley in FA, and we were stressed. Maybe we had an MBE exam or something, and our senior Fred, he was passing by, and he saw all of us standing stressed and thinking. He just said, "Hey guys, keep surviving, keep surviving." He just said that, and he just walked away. He knew what exactly we were feeling. All of us were stressed, and this is what I would also say to just keep surviving. I cannot promise that things would get better. Hopefully they do, but it's fun. Just keep surviving. Yeah. और कुछ from your side हो गया?
Then from my side, Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf
Auf
Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen.
Vielen Dank für diesen Moment. Vielen Dank, Cameraman.
Yeah.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Vielen Dank. I hope you enjoyed our video. If there's any other content or discussion you want us to do or talk, please do let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.